Mercedes just replaced two iconic coupes with one car. The 2026 CLE merges the C-Class and E-Class coupes into a single design that's longer, more practical, and actually more affordable than you'd think. Starting at $60,700, this is how Mercedes does luxury without the six-figure price tag. The CLE stretches 191 inches long, with a wheelbase closer to the old E-Class than the C. That means better proportions and a more confident stance. Up front, you'll find the signature Mercedes grille flanked by LED headlights with optional digital light technology. The side profile shows frameless windows and a flowing roofline that drops gracefully toward the rear. 18-inch wheels come standard, but you can spec up to 22-inch AMG wheels if you go for the performance line. Around back, the taillights stretch horizontally, and there's no visible exhaust on the base CLE 300 because it tucks them underneath. The AMG line package adds sportier bumpers, side skirts, and a subtle rear spoiler that gives the car more presence without going overboard. Inside, you'll immediately notice the dual-screen setup borrowed from the latest C-Class. That's a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster paired with an 11.9-inch MBUX touchscreen in the center. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus Mercedes' Hey Mercedes voice assistant. Standard heated power front seats feature memory settings, and there's 64-color ambient lighting throughout the cabin. The materials feel premium with MBUX synthetic leather as standard, though you can upgrade to real Nappa leather. Rear seats offer 34.2 inches of legroom, which is tight but usable for shorter trips. The panoramic sunroof comes standard on the coupe and really opens up the space. One neat feature is the tilt function on the touchscreen, which adjusts the angle to reduce glare. Trunk space comes in at 11.2 cubic feet, which fits two large suitcases comfortably. The rear seats fold 60/40 for longer items, and there's a hands-free power trunk lid as standard. You'll also find tie-down points and underfloor storage for smaller valuables. The opening is wide enough to load luggage without scratching the bumper, which isn't always the case with coupes. Two engines are available and both use mild hybrid tech. The CLE 300 gets a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, making 255 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. It hits 60 in 6.2 seconds and tops out at 130 miles per hour, electronically limited. The CLE 450 upgrades to a 3-liter turbocharged inline-six with 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet. That drops the 0 to 60 time to 4.1 seconds. Both come with all-wheel drive and a 9-speed automatic transmission. Fuel economy sits at 24 city and 33 highway for the base model. It starts at $60,700 for the CLE, $300,000 or $70,250 for the 450. That's thousands less than a fully loaded C-Class sedan, yet you get more space, better tech, and genuine coupe style. If you've been cross-shopping the BMW 4 Series or Audi A5, this sits right in that same bracket but brings more interior room and a smoother ride. Which engine would you choose? Drop your answer in the comments and check out my channel for more walkarounds like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.